I would have died from sneezing. Charlotte Osei speaks amid Chief Justice controversy. This story is very interesting. I don't want you to miss it. Madam Charlotte Osei, former EC chairperson, akasa concerning tokurun sensemu. Na munim say Madam Charlotte Osei die okasa kasa bebu kwan so. Okasa na obu be. Nti se wa ma wa dua anya smart a wa dua nko na asem no hu yi a, you will never understand what she's saying. I am here to explain it to you. What say? This case tokuno case we buy no. Nipa ba ko o mu boni din power Ghana had the reference. Charlotte Osei. Yes. And I'm a victim. Make a hubi. And yet your friends tokuno asem no kwankrampo. And this government buy ya na wo mu sacking microphone. I sat here and I made a reference using Charlotte Osei. Because listen, Charlotte Osei, one of government appointees, o musaki niye mi ya pa andananado. And sa dia nda so ye mi ya be pimi de me ade ye mi ya enkoda e wo na ahimi kakra na sa ejuju ban ko wo ye ma de na ye mi ya, it will never go. E wo wa me kai e be himi. Se ne e pa mam na nye. So what steady announcing obi e kasa bia, the person is referencing it to Charlotte Osei. Say ye bibi ye Charlotte Osei ya. Yes, yam fa bi nye tokono e. Enti obi e bo Charlotte Osei di. E na Charlotte Osei say, "Hey, wan say ye wo kasa bibu bia ya ye say, se wo ti wona se wo sinizi. Wo ti wona se wo ye wo sinizi ya te say obi na bo di wo ba bi." And I was busy, say, "Hey, send your mububo ni di India, and the just say, Sabe ni no crepa de senka wa wu, ko be sinizi sa wu, because no mubo ni di reference to Tokurasem no is too much." Former chairperson of the Electoral Commission of Ghana, Charlotte Osei, has commented humorously on the recent controversy surrounding the suspension of Chief Justice Gertrude Araba Esabasake Tokono, saying she would have died from sneezing if the old African belief about sneezing and being mentioned were true. She says Ghanaians have frequently mentioned her name over the past 2 weeks. One. And the Tokono case we buy, ya bo Charlotte Osei this, Charlotte Osei, ya boni this. Although she did not directly state the reason for the resurgence of her name in the public discourse, many social media users have drawn parallels between her removal from office and the current suspension of Chief Justice Tokono. Charlotte Osei, who was appointed by the then NDC government, was removed from office by the administration of New Patriotic Party. Critics and social media commentators have linked her situation to the Chief Justices, describing it as a case of karma. And ehano ye kai mu kai say ye Charlotte Osei di. Ena Ghana for mu Charlotte Osei post no. Now they are linking that particular issue to Charlotte Osei your friends say Tokono case no. Nti ono nso nya den engine hwe. Say ye Charlotte Osei ya under MPP a Tokono so ya suspending na eno ano no wonso ye den wonso gi test hwese de tie. Nti yes karma. You say karma has no menu. You get served what you deserve. Karma wo we any menu. Any menu e bi awaba so banku abetie emutu no. Fufuo ne nkwankwan dabi. Karma has no menu. You get served what you deserve. Niese fatal na karma de ma. You say ubisa mpesi na ebu anichi ahwe na wan bisa bomu. E friend conform wo kuma would me friend mobile. Sa conform no obu ba e me datu. Was say ubisa mpesi na ebu anichi ahwe na wan bisa bomu. Na wa bisa mpesi ebu anichi odi abomu yere na mpesi na ya ma abomu na ebe mo. Ya ma wan pesi a abomu na edibe mo. Wo ya na hi. And Charlotte Osei, Mrs. Charlotte Osei, Tokono, say I suspend you and your permanent young pam, ya suspend you at the Sukofi. Tokoro is serious person to resign on Jim Mensa. Now, Mummy near bank, I resign. They note that, similar to her own experience, petitions were submitted to the president, who subsequently referred them to the Council of State for consideration, leading to her removal. Anyway, we dada. Me pese me yi shout to say original post near there. Echiremu. Na mwa he. Enya easy. To kunani ya ko to say evrenze akrantia ye de shu akaja kokokoko. Yeah. Tama ho. Amokaze to me now manyane forever. Life will cry and leave you cry no. Then ya will na political power. Until that, this is the original post. Posting the picture. No one's a power. Charlotte says very beautiful. No way Frankasan. I say, you know how they say in Africa that if you sneeze, it means your name is being mentioned somewhere in your absence. I can confirm this is absolutely not true because like the past 2 weeks, I would have died from sneezing. Ebe. I say, say, Sasamni no cry. Nkawa from sneezing. Kawa long time. Because, hey, Charlotte say. Abruso. And they are maybe say. MPP4 no. They should come out and tell us one tangible reason or mujina so yi Charlotte said on the deputies no edien omo rely on what and omudi Charlotte said edien nothing. Jemensa wa bonwa we the most incompetent ever EC chairperson kurampo no Jemensa kwada so to office ono mu no se waya ade what declare Mahama win until one say why I said it. J Mensa cannot declare MPP winner twice. It's only once. 2016 Charlotte said declared MPP winner. And 2020 who declare MPP winner. And think of person sign declare MPP winner bill M5. And then no MPP 4 answer na before say beba come on sem. Ansa na mwa ye mu protest no ye pese mu ba bontin ebra be kire ye adekura Charlotte say ye ya mugina so ye den e de pam no free na adwuma mu e de empa na Charlotte say ye mu e de ya. That should be the question. Ansa na mwaka tukuru die no enye sa aba iribo tachi no eno ana de bebo kwasi ampanyi ba. Simple as that.